Hey everybody, this is Brent McGlone, also known online as the CarpCommander. Check this out. Today we're going to take a look at my joystick controlled kicker motor. This is something that I've come up with the concept, did all the research, did all the fabrication, had a lot of help from my buddy Dallas Scott. I want to say thank you. I want to say a huge thank you to Trish, my girlfriend, who I've driven absolutely nuts the last couple of months with this project. But I'm glad to say that it's become a reality. So what we're going to do today, we're going to give you a really quick, really short demo and show you just what this thing does. Right now, we've got the motor running. And as I'm going to show you, I've incorporated shifting, throttle, and steering into one joystick. The shifting is controlled by twisting the joystick, throttles forward and backwards, steering is left and right. Pretty simple. As a matter of fact, I took my 7-year-old son out and he was able to drive the boat right off the bat, just like a video game. One of the big advantages to this system is anybody can drive it. My bow fishing partners last night were able to pick this up, and anytime I shot a fish, they were able to jump on the controls. Not a problem. So we're going to go ahead and give you a quick demo. It's in idle right now. We're going to give it a twist, puts it in first gear. A little bit of throttle. Tight circles, no problem. You want to shift it into neutral, just like that. Shift it into reverse, give it another twist, give it a little bit of throttle, and you're going backwards. Idle down, shift it back into forward, and there we go, we're fishing again. And there you go.